we as African people, given the deep restructuring that is going on in the world, are going to have to find another economic way out. We are going to have to create jobs. We're going to have to create an economic system. We're going to have to employ ourselves and create means of taking care of our people. That means then that we are going to first have to capture our economic infrastructure from other groups. Number one, because you must accumulate capital, and you must withdraw as much as possible of your capital from others in order to use it for yourself. And this goes on with groups all the time. Reagan did it. Why do you think the poor got poorer and the rich got richer? They ran a game called supply side economics, which meant that if you give the people who have money more money, they will take the money and invest it and build factories and hire the people who don't. But we were put in a trick. Well, that's the supply side, you see. In other words, give it to people who got it and they will invest it and create more. But it didn't work out that way, did it? So the laws were changed and the system was restructured. This is what you call cutting. When jobs are cut or when programs are cut, this isn't just a cutting. This means money is being what? Transferred. It is being moved from one group or one set into the hands of other set. So this is what you call capital accumulation. The money that was once going to the poor and so forth now is redistributed it to the wealthy. Now the wealthy in their gracious manner were supposed to invest it and create jobs, but that wasn't what happened. They played shell games with each other and created paper wealth and so forth, and then sold the companies off and shipped the stuff out and became international citizens and left us in the lurch. Even the whites are in the lurch. Everybody's in the lurch here, see? Now the black community then must accumulate capital so that it can invest in its own infrastructure, which means then it must redistribute its money and its wealth. It must take the money back and reduce the flow of money outward to other groups, accumulate it in itself, and invest it in itself so that it can create abundance for itself.